My name's Lou Kenny. I am a yoga teacher and a model. How have I changed over time? Gee, I just turned 60 and I must confess the last few years have been really interesting for me, and I feel more confident and more assured than ever. My beauty routine has changed in a few ways, lots of ways actually. I'm using Westman Atelier foundation stick in shade 3. I think it's come in handy for foundation. I can just spot my foundation to target the areas where I need it. Where's that coffee? And the foundation of my life, the first thing that comes to mind, of course, is my children. I'm a mother, and secondly, and equally important, is my yoga practice, and it fulfills me every day. What advice would I give myself when I was 20? Don't be swayed by other people's opinion and what other people expect of you. And I really do think I could have been a little more determined and a little more clear on my vision. That clarity's come in time. I'm Lou, I'm a model and a yoga teacher, but underneath it all, I'm just trying to get through this life, leaving the smallest footprint I can, but having a really good laugh along the way. Every day.